But you were asked, and so the search committee, you said that began when DA Willis took office on January 1st, 2021. Is that correct? Yes. And there was outreach to you to be part of the search committee prior to January 1, 2021. Absolutely. When did that start? Sometime after the election, but prior to her taking office. Now, you told us today that it was sometime after the election. So that's consistent. Is it your recollection that it was also prior to her taking office at the search committee?
So I'm going to need some context here because, and I don't know if anyone has shared this with you, she had actually formed several search committees. There were committees to fill her office staff. Are you referring to that?
No, and I'll pull up the context for you here. It's going to be a little bit harder for me to do it, but let me just try to get this over on the screen here. This top part actually is you talking about the interesting legal issues of the case and kind of what we just covered. And so the search committee, you said that DA, this is what I just read, you said DA Willis took office on January 1st. Is that correct? Yes. And was there outreach to you to be part of the search committee prior to January 1st? Let's go up to see what search committee we're talking about. So January 1st, I was part of the search committee for the newly elected district attorney, and we were tasked with trying to identify someone who would serve as lead counsel on the election interference case. The goal or trick was to make certain that the individual selected was one who had no axe to grind, if you will, which we just said the same thing here. 3 to 5 candidates said the same thing here.